Do you ever feel like you're stretched so thin? Your time, your energy, your money, trying to hold everything together, but still living paycheck to paycheck? Like you're always busy, yet somehow missing the moments that matter most with your family. If you're tired of the grind, emotionally drained, and wondering if there's a better way to make life work again, I see you. And this video is for you, my friend. Hey there, welcome back. I'm Lori, and I help parents, grandparents, and empty nesters build real income online using simple digital marketing without tech stress, burnout, or sacrificing their time with family. If you've been searching for a way to make money online that actually fits your life, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing how to start an online business with no experience because I'm doing it right now. I'll walk you through 5 simple steps I've been following so you can get started too without feeling overwhelmed, confused, or stuck. And I want you to stick around for step number 3 because it's the one that changed everything for me. So let's dive in. Step 1, you don't need to have it all figured out. Let me just start by saying this. If you're overwhelmed by the idea of starting an online business, you're not alone. I felt the same way. I had so many thoughts like, what would I even sell? Do I have to create a course or a product? I'm not good enough with tech. Is this even possible for me? The truth is, you do not need to have a perfect plan or a big idea to just get started. What you need is a simple system that's already working, one that's beginner-friendly and doesn't expect you to know all the answers right away. That's what finally gave me the courage to start. I found a done-for-you system that teaches you digital marketing while giving you a business that's ready to go. Step 2. Start with something that's already working. One of the biggest mistakes I made early on was trying to figure it all out on my own. I tried Etsy. I published books on Amazon. I did freelance writing. And while I learned a lot, I was working long hours for very little return. If you're like me, you don't have time to waste anymore. You want something that fits into your life, not something that takes over your life. That's why this time, I didn't start from scratch. I plugged into a proven system, something I could follow step by step. Quick pause. Can I share this with you? If that sounds like what you're looking for too, I'd love to give you access to what I'm using. Simply go to mydailypayway.com and grab the free Freedom Blueprint. It's the exact system I'm learning right now. It includes video training, a done-for-you website, automated emails, and digital products you can resell for 100% profit. Even if you're brand new, even if you only have a couple of hours a day, even if tech completely overwhelms you, this blueprint is giving people like us a way forward. Step 3. You don't have to be salesy or pushy. This was a big one for me. I didn't want to message my friends or family. I didn't want to host parties or do awkward sales calls. And with this system, you don't have to. You simply learn how to attract the right people by posting helpful content online on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or even Pinterest. You don't need a big following. You don't need to go viral. You just need to show up consistently and share your story. That's what I'm doing now. I'm learning out loud and inviting people to come along with me. It's honest and it feels good. Step 4, build around your schedule, not someone else's. Most of the people watching this are probably working a job. You're showing up every day, doing your best, but still feeling like it's barely enough. And I know what that feels like, my friend, giving everything you've got and wondering how you're still behind. The beauty of starting an online business like this one is that it works with your life, not against it. You don't need to quit your job or clear your calendar. You can start small, just 2 hours a day or what works for you. I do my work from the living room, my bedroom, the couch, in my comfiest clothes with a cup of coffee by my side. There's no pressure to rush, just steady progress, one simple step at a time. Step 5, learn while you earn. You don't need to be an expert to get started. You don't need to have years of experience. You just need to be willing to learn. The system I'm following actually teaches you digital marketing, real in-demand skills, while you're running your own business. So you're not just earning income, you're gaining confidence. You're gaining clarity. You're gaining a skill set that no one can take away from you. And you're not doing it alone. There's a whole community of people. Many of them are parents, grandparents, people starting over who are walking this path too. We encourage each other, share our wins and ideas, and we grow together. If you've been wondering how to start an online business with no experience, I hope this helped you see that you don't need to have all the answers. You just need to take the first step. So here it is. Go to mydailypayway.com and grab the free Freedom Blueprint. It walks you through everything, step by step. There's no pressure, no sales calls, just a system that fits into your life and helps you build something that actually works. Thanks so much for watching. If this spoke to you and you're ready to build something that finally fits your life, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. I release a new video every Tuesday to help parents, grandparents, and empty nesters start earning online in a simple, low-stress way. And if you're ready for your next step right now, watch this next video.